Good afternoon, everybody. This is LaShanta from My Designs by Lala, and thank you for coming to my page once again. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, July 14th, and I got my Bargain Bead Box package on Saturday, but I was busy doing other stuff, and then yesterday I just was tired from being busy doing other stuff. So today, as always, my package is unopened. We are going to get into the July box. Give me a little minute to open it up and get it sorted out, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome, and thank you for visiting again. I got everything sorted out. I'm well on my way to being ready to start this presentation, but not quite. Let us get our prayer scripture for the day, and then we can get started. Today's prayer is from 2 Timothy 3:16. All scripture is inspired by God and is useful to teach us what is true. That is our prayer scripture for today. And jumping right into it, July 2026's Bead Box Bargain Package is called Rainforest Relics. Travel deep into the jungle in search of treasure. You'll find a gorgeous hand-carved Kambaba Jasper rose, plus matching English cut and matte round beads. Other gemstone accents include deep teal apatite, turquoise magnesite, detailed dizzy beads, and red agate rounds, sparkling crystals, and an array of bronze finished findings complete the collection. That is the Rainforest Relics. You can follow Bargain Bead Box on their group called Bargain Bead Box Creative Corner on Facebook, and you can find them on YouTube at Bead Box Bargains on YouTube. Let's get into our collection today. Our Rainforest Relics collection. Number one, it is an approximate 32 millimeter Kambaba Jasper carved rose pendant. Now, I don't know if this is going to come across, but this pendant is a kind of a forest green color. That's the back. And it is, I'm trying to find, it is drilled so it hangs that like that. And it's got a tree kind of leaf sort of detail in it. Like I said, I don't know how good that's going to come out, but it's a very nice dark green color. Number two is a 7-inch strand of 7 to 8 millimeter Kambaba Jasper English cut faceted beads, and I like those very much. I like the green. It looked like money is actually what that one also. It looked like the color of money. That's what I think. That's very pretty. I like it. And make sure that my mic is on, because I recorded a whole video a couple of weeks ago and I thought the mic was on, and the whole time it was not. Number 3, which is one of the reasons why I don't even worry. If I don't do very many videos because I don't know when I'm doing it right. The whole thing. Just mute it. 7-inch strand of 6 to 7 millimeter turquoise green magnesite dyed rondelle beads. I like to call them coin beads because they are in the shape of a little donut. They are round but flat round. And this is an interesting strand. It's so pretty because of the different greens in them. And number 4 is a 15-inch strand of apatite nugget beads. I like this color and I like nugget beads. I wish I had the wherewithal to get them and go to automatically want to dive into the beads and just create something. But I don't have that in me. I just don't. Because I don't get inspired just by looking at the beads. I like them. I like to hoard them and hold on to them. Number 5. Number 5 is a 7-inch strand of 8mm red agate dyed round beads. I love these little red orange beads. I have some of them, or I have used some of them because I don't think I have them anymore. I probably do because I have all of my Bargain Bead Box collections in little boxes under my desk. But I like these beads. Number 6. Number 6 is 10 pieces of 10mm Kambaba Jasper matte round beads. Y'all know how I feel about matte beads. And it's so dull. I do not like dull. I just don't. I don't like the dull. And that's what those are. And since those are loose, we put those back in the bag. Number 7. Number 7 is a 14.5-inch strand of 4x2mm synthetic turquoise man-made rondelle beads. Small, tiny rondelle beads that are coin beads. They're round but flat in the turquoise color. And that is, oh, it won't stay. That's what we have there. Yeah, it won't stay in there. It's gonna, trying to fool with it, it'll make my nerves bad. Number 8. Number 8 is 4 pieces of 13 to 14 by 9 to 10mm dizzy agate, which is dyed and heated dry barrel beads. Whatever, I like those. I like those beads a lot. They are pretty, and I'm mad I only got 4. I'm sure I could order them, and I don't have money for that. I like, this one is darker than the rest. But I like these beads. Those are nice. I like those. Those are so pretty. So pretty. Those are so pretty. I'm going to put them back in because they're loose. Number 9. Number 9 is a 7-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal fancy rondelles in varied olivine crackle. They are very detailed in their description. That's so pretty. That's really pretty. And they're not all like the same color. I like it. You see, they're not all the same color. They are the same, but they're different. I like that. I like that strand a lot. That's pretty. Number 10. Number 10 is a 9.5-inch strand of 6x5mm crystal cut English beads in green betrayal. I like the shininess. Of course, I always like the shiny in all the beads. I like the shiny. There's some green in there somewhere, but that looked more blue-ish to me. So I'm going with it's blue. I mean, I know that they said it was green, but my daughter tells me all the time, I don't know my colors, and I guess she's right, because I don't agree with that being green and look blue to me. So I'm going with it's blue, even though the description said green. And number 11. Number 11 is a 21 by 8 millimeter enameled brass hammered oval charm with a little piece of turquoise in the middle. Hammered brass with a little, that's very, that's nice. I like it. I don't know what else to say. I am a elementary school Scrabble Girl user. That's what I use all my elementary school words, because I know the big words, but they don't come to mind right away. And so I don't use those. I use the words that I know readily. Number 12. Number 12 is 2 pieces of 21 by 17 millimeter Monstera leaf charms in jungle green. I think we had these before. Like I said, I would know because I have all of my Bargain Bead Box beads in little boxes under my desk. These are pretty. I like that. And I used to think, oh, you can only get earrings, but nope. I have learned how to make these be a pendant, and I can make more than one necklace from that. Number 13. Number 13 is 4 pieces of 27 by 14 millimeter Monstera leaf links in antique bronze. Ah, these are links. Gotcha. I like that. Now, I like to mix bronze and gold together. I do. I learned that I like that combination. So that's a nice, I like these links. And number 14. Number 14 is 41 by 30 millimeter leaf pendant in antique bronze patina. I don't know what patina means, but there's the leaf. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I don't know. That could be the front with the detail. And then that could be the front also with its inward detail. But either way, it's a very pretty pendant. Number 15. Number 15 is 10 grams of 4 by 3 millimeter glass saucer beads in dark orange. Oh, I like those. These and these are kin. Now, why they got, oh man, look at me. Why they got different names, I don't know, but they the same bead. One just come on the strand, and the green ones come on the strand, the orange ones come loose, and I done dipped out half the bag that's not in my hand. Which is why I never take them out when they're loose. But they're a pretty little orange. And these orange ones are kin to these green ones. They're basically the same bead, only these green ones are just a small, tiny bit smaller. Basically coin beads. Basically these are coin beads. Yep. Number 16. Number 16 is 4 pieces of 20 by 22 millimeter spiral charm mix in antique bronze patina. Wait a minute, we got different ones in here. How cool is that? That's nice. I like the swirl pattern on these ones. I like that swirl. I don't know, what are we calling these? Hold on, what are we calling these again? Spiral Charm Mix. I like the Spiral Charm Mix. I do. And oh, let me show you. These are two-sided. That's the front. That's the back. And that's the front. And that's the back. I still like them. I like those. Very nice. Number 17. Number 17 is 10 grams of 4x3 point. Nope. It's 10 grams of 4.5 by 3.5 millimeter cubic rondelle spacer beads. What we got? Oh, I like these. I like these. And those are the spacer beads. I like those. They got a little weight to them. Yes, they do. Number 18. Number 18 is 10 pieces of 10 millimeter leafy bead caps and antique bronze. I love some bead caps. I do. And I like these ones. There we go. The bead caps. Number 19. Number 19 is 2 pieces. Excuse me. Excuse me. 2 sets, Number 19 is 2 sets of 26 by 31 millimeter hammered style toggle clasps. 2 sets of toggles. And they're different. Aha. One of each. I like these. I love that one mostly because it's so big. I like those toggles. And number 20 is the 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 Luma China jewelry chain. Yeah. I like the detail in this chain. The spirals and all of that. And it's a meter. You get a lot of little chain from Bargain Bead Box. I love the chain in the Bargain Bead Box. And finally, number 21, which is a bonus piece pack, is a 2-piece brass pinch bells in antique bronze. Pinch bells. Hey, you can do that with this. Put it on the jump ring or this thing. Yeah, like that. You see? Yep. I like that. And I appreciate those too. I gotta get my collection, my chain and jump ring and whatever collection. That is our Bargain Bead Box collection, Rainforest Relic collection for July 2026. The retail value for this shipment was $86.80 and all of that. I will put a link to where you can get your Bargain Bead Box subscription in my description section. Thank you for hanging out with me. Hold on just a moment. And that is our whole collection and a view of the July 2026 Rainforest Relics collection from Bargain Bead Box. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, which the next time when I do a video, I will make sure that my mic is in working order so that I can have some words going on while I'm making whatever I'm making. So Thank you. You guys have a great afternoon. Goodbye.